Fresh summer tomato sauce. You'll need 4 large ripe tomatoes, 1 garlic clove peeled, 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, ½ teaspoon kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, a handful of fresh basil leaves, torn optional, more basil, grated Parmesan cheese. Grate the tomatoes into a bowl. Grate the garlic into the tomatoes. Add the olive oil, salt, and pepper, and stir until the mixture emulsifies. Stir in fresh basil. Let the sauce sit at room temperature for 15 to 20 minutes. Toss with 12 ounces of hot cooked pasta. Top with more basil or cheese if you'd like. This is summer cooking. No heat, no stress, just flavor. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more great recipes.